The app is structured in 4 hierarchic levels. Here you can see the main menu of the app, which is level 1. From here you can choose between the teacher, student or the Vanishing Craft skills tree. The teacher and student main menus are on level 2. In each of them you have on the one hand the possibility to watch the introducing video which explains the Skillco project, or on the other hand you may choose between one of the 4 selected skill gaps. These are, in short, literacy, green skills, occupational safety and health, and numeracy. For each skill gap there is a skill gap menu, which is on level number 3. In this menu, in the teacher tree, you may choose between the skill gap handbook, assessment papers, several videos and the library. One of the main learning material is the so-called handbook. This paper deals with the selected topic from a detailed point of view. Since it's hard to read in the app, especially on small devices like smartphones, there is a feature implemented to send the handbook as a PDF file by email. Besides this, you have the opportunity on each of the papers and video pages to leave a feedback for the selected content item. Select between a 1 to 5 stars rating, enter your name, write a short feedback and send it to the developer. Another developed learning material is the assessment paper. This can be used by VET teachers to assess their students. Shown in this screen and available without restriction is the assessment paper without solutions. You may send the assessment paper as a PDF file to your email address like in the handbook screen. In addition, here you have the possibility to send the assessment paper with solutions. To prevent students from getting the solutions, the access is password restricted. The password can be requested by the Skillco project partner in your country or the developer of the app. Furthermore, in the Skillco project there were created 3 videos for each skill gap to explain generally what the skill gap is dealing with and to show good and bad practice for the related topic. More contents are located in the library menu. This menu is on the level number 4. First, there is a learning unit which may be used by teachers to prepare the whole learning subject for the selected skill gap. Then there are some photos which may be used, for example, for training lessons. Media is kind of a file list. These files are additional material both for teachers and trainers on the one hand and for students and employees on the other hand. The files can be of different types, like PDF files, presentations or videos. They may be sent by email or opened on the device directly. The OER feature gives users the possibility to upload and share their self-developed contents. You have to enter a name and short description, select the file from the device and send it. After a reviewing process, which will be done by a Skillco project partner, the file is available here in the app for all users. Finally, in the library menu for teachers, there is a support teaching list. This list is for material which was created during the piloting phase of the Skillco project. The files are especially for teachers and trainers. We're going back to level 1 since we're done with the whole teacher tree. Now we are going through the student tree. The level 2 menu is exactly the same as in the teacher tree. On level 3, here we see the differences, especially in the skill gap menu for occupational safety and health. There is an additional menu item, the exercise. The exercise module gives the user the possibility to do a daily exercise at a self-given time with 3 different options: warm-up, interventional and compensatory exercises. After choosing the daily reminder time, the user may start the first exercise. Besides a small description, 1 or more photos are showing what the user has to do. On the first start of the exercise, an advice is displayed to let the user take support of an expert mentor to do the exercise. The app reminds the user the next 10 days to do an exercise at the given time. Another feature for students is the quiz game. The single-choice questions with different photos and 2 to 5 answers are an attracting method to let students learn the topics related to the skill gaps. After finishing the quiz, the user gets a numeric and written feedback combined with a smiley symbol about the result. The library menu for students is smaller than the one for teachers. The only menu items available are the media list and the photo screen. Back to level 1, there is the last menu item, the Vanishing Craft Skills menu. Here the user can watch 3 different videos which are dealing with valuable key vanishing craft skills. The app was developed in the Erasmus Plus Skillco project, which is co-funded by the European Union. SkillGap is now available in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Download it for free.